Yo, I'm gonna show you how to switch scenes in Unity 2D. So let's get straight into it. First thing you wanna do is go to create and then scene, just like that. And once you press that, it will create a scene, and then go zoom into the camera. I wasn't zoomed in. Then go to hierarchy, UI, and then I forgot to download TextMesh Pro, so let's use a legacy button. Then name it the default thing. Then go to the alignment over here, Alt, and then put it in the center. Then click F to zoom into it and make that button box a bit bigger. Then down arrow by the text, name that play, and then go to font size, make that a bit bigger. Then what you wanna do, say add component, script I already created, just name it scene or whatever you want to name it. Then say edit script. Okay, so I already said made the nameplate using Unity Engine Scene Manager, and I cleaned out the start and update method because I tried to record this before and messed up, so yeah, and no one needs the start and update method. So public void, and then let's call it scene, and that will give us an error because a function can't be the script's name. So name it scene and then add a random number in front of it, 1. So then add brackets and curly brackets and then enter. So what we want to say is scene manager dot load scene, and then what we want to say is 1, because the new scene we're gonna add is gonna have a bold index of 1. That might sound quite confusing, but I will show you. So when it loads, and while it is loading, you can subscribe to the channel. So go to file and then bold. So as you can see, this is the bold index. There's a 0 right here. So it adds our first scene when we create the game, and then add the new scene you created, and as you can see, it has a 1 right next to it. So that's pretty cool. Go to the cross now, and then if we go to the button and then say on click, and then when we add the canvas on here and then go to functions, wait, I'm sorry, I didn't add the scene thing. So add scene, then go to the button, on click again, I'm sorry, and then scene. So, and then you can press scene 1, and then if we press start, and it takes a bit of a while, and click play. It should, and it takes us to this amazing game I created. As you can see, this is a game. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.